Picture this: Big Ben towering over the Thames at sunset, the aroma of fresh pastries from Borough Market filling the air, and centuries of royal history waiting to be discovered. Planning 3 days in London but overwhelmed by the sheer number of iconic sights and hidden corners? This video breaks down exactly how to experience the best of Britain's capital without missing the moments that make London unforgettable. We're covering royal palaces and historic landmarks, secret viewpoints locals cherish, where to eat authentic British cuisine and international flavors, plus the insider tips that'll save you both time and money. This is how to spend 3 days in London. Let's dive in. Day 1. Royal London and historic landmarks. Start your London adventure at the Tower of London, opening at 9 a.m. Arrive right when doors open to beat the crowds and immediately head to the Crown Jewels exhibition. These dazzling treasures include the Imperial State Crown adorned with over 23,000 gemstones. Standard admission costs around $47 for adults, around $37 for concessions, and around $23 for children aged 5 to 15. Book tickets online in advance through the official Historic Royal Palace's website to guarantee entry and skip ticket office queues. Plan to spend roughly 2.5 to 3 hours here. Don't miss the free yeoman warder tours departing every 30 minutes, where the famous beefeaters share captivating stories of imprisonment, execution, and royal intrigue spanning nearly 1,000 years. After exploring the tower, take a 15-minute walk along the Thames to Borough Market for lunch. This historic food market has traded on this site since the 1700s and offers incredible variety. Grab the legendary chorizo roll from Brindisa for around $6 to $7, featuring spicy Spanish sausage and sweet peppers in a crusty roll. Alternatively, try Shook's Israeli pitas stuffed with chicken shawarma and garlicky toom for around $10 to $12, or Kappa Cuisine's famous cheese toasty with sharp cheddar and leeks on sourdough for around $7 to $8. Spend your afternoon crossing the iconic Tower Bridge and heading to Westminster. Take the tube from Tower Hill Station on the Circle or District Line to Westminster Station, approximately a 10-minute journey. Once there, you're surrounded by London's most recognizable landmarks within walking distance. Westminster Abbey charges around $42 USD for adults. But if you're watching your budget, admire the stunning Gothic architecture from outside and save your money for other experiences. Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament create perfect photo opportunities from Westminster Bridge. Walk 10 minutes to Buckingham Palace to catch the changing of the guard ceremony, one of London's most iconic free experiences. The ceremony typically occurs at 11 a.m. on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, though schedules change seasonally, so verify timings on the official royal family website before your visit. Arrive at least 30 minutes early to secure a good viewing spot near the palace gates. During summer months from July through September, you can tour the palace's staterooms for around $43, offering a rare glimpse into royal life. End your first day with dinner in Covent Garden, just a 15-minute walk from Buckingham Palace. This vibrant neighborhood offers everything from casual eateries to upscale dining. For traditional British fare, try the Ivy Market Grill with mains ranging from $25 to $45, or explore the street food stalls around 7 Dials for budget-friendly options. The area comes alive in the evening with street performers entertaining crowds in the historic piazza. Tomorrow, we're diving deep into world-class museums and discovering why London offers some of the planet's most incredible free cultural experiences. Day 2. Museums, Culture, and Hidden Gems. Begin Day 2 at the British Museum, opening at 10 a.m. General admission is completely free, though booking a timed entry ticket online in advance guarantees entry and helps you skip walk-up queues. This UNESCO World Heritage Institution houses over 8 million artifacts. Prioritize the highlights: the Rosetta Stone in Room 4, the Parthenon sculptures in Room 18, and the Egyptian mummies collection in Rooms 62 through 64. Special exhibitions require separate paid tickets, typically around $23, but the permanent collection provides more than enough to fill 3 hours. The museum stays open until 8:30 p.m. on Fridays. For lunch, explore the diverse dining scene around Bloomsbury and Soho. Walk 15 minutes to Dishoom in Covent Garden for outstanding Indian cuisine with mains from $15 to $25. Their bacon naan roll has achieved cult status among locals. Alternatively, Flatiron near Covent Garden serves exceptional steak for around $14. For budget travelers, grab a meal deal from Pret A Manger or Sainsbury's Local for around $5 to $7. After lunch, choose between two incredible free experiences. The National Gallery in Trafalgar Square houses masterpieces by Van Gogh, Da Vinci, and Turner, with free admission to the permanent collection. Alternatively, cross the Millennium Bridge to Tate Modern for contemporary art in a converted power station. Both museums allow 2 to 3 hours of exploration. Spend your late afternoon discovering one of London's most charming hidden gems, Neal's Yard in Covent Garden. This tiny, colorful courtyard tucked behind busy streets features vibrant buildings painted in blues, pinks, and yellows, creating a perfect Instagram moment. The area houses independent cafes, organic shops, and Neal's Yard Dairy, where you can sample British artisan cheeses. From here, walk 5 minutes to explore the boutique shops along Monmouth Street. For dinner, head to Chinatown, just minutes from Covent Garden. This compact neighborhood packs incredible authentic Asian cuisine into a few colorful streets. Try shu for upscale Taiwanese small plates ranging from $12 to $22 per dish. Or for budget-friendly options, visit Four Seasons for legendary roast duck and rice for around $10. During winter months, Chinatown's stunning Chinese New Year celebrations typically occur in late January or early February, featuring spectacular dragon dances and elaborate decorations. Year-round, the neighborhood's lantern-lit streets create atmospheric evening dining. For your final day, we're venturing beyond tourist hotspots to discover local neighborhoods and secret viewpoints that even many Londoners don't know about. Day 3, local neighborhoods and panoramic views. Start your final day exploring Notting Hill, famous for its pastel-colored houses, and the iconic Portobello Road Market. Take the tube to Notting Hill Gate Station on the Central, Circle, or District lines. The market operates Monday through Saturday, with the famous Antiques Market on Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. drawing the biggest crowds. Browse vintage clothing, antiques, jewelry, and street food stalls selling everything from Spanish paella to French crepes for around $8 to $12. The photogenic colored houses along Westbourne Park Road provide that quintessential London backdrop. From Notting Hill, take a 20-minute tube ride to Greenwich, a UNESCO World Heritage Site offering a completely different London perspective. The Cutty Sark, a preserved 19th-century tea clipper ship, charges around $32 for adults, while the National Maritime Museum offers free admission with fascinating exhibits about Britain's naval history. Climb up Greenwich Park to the Royal Observatory for stunning panoramic views across London, where you can straddle the prime meridian line, marking 0 degrees longitude at no cost. Pack a picnic lunch from a local shop to enjoy in the park, while taking in views of the Thames and Canary Wharf skyscrapers. For your afternoon, experience London from above at the Sky Garden, one of the city's best free attractions. This garden, spanning 3 floors at 20 Fenchurch Street, offers 360-degree views across London completely free, though you must book your time slot in advance through their official website. Arrive at your designated time and take the elevator to the viewing platforms featuring landscaped gardens, observation decks, and floor-to-ceiling windows. The venue includes restaurants and bars if you wish to enjoy drinks with views, though purchasing food or beverages isn't required. Spend your final evening in Shoreditch, London's vibrant creative quarter in East London. Take the tube to Old Street Station and explore the streets adorned with world-famous street art from artists like Banksy and Stick. The area's industrial warehouses now house independent galleries, vintage shops, and trendy bars. Visit Box Park Shoreditch, a pop-up mall constructed from shipping containers featuring street food vendors from around the world. Sample anything from Korean fried chicken to Venezuelan arepas, with most meals costing $12 to $18. For your farewell dinner, splurge at Dishoom Shoreditch if you didn't visit the Covent Garden location earlier. Or try Pizza Pilgrims for authentic Neapolitan pizza with prices from $12 to $18. Alternatively, head to Brick Lane, adjacent to Shoreditch, for exceptional curry houses where you can enjoy authentic Indian and Bangladeshi cuisine for around $15 to $25 per person. Brick Lane's Vintage Market operates Sundays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. if your schedule aligns. Before we wrap up, here's the essential practical information you need for smooth London travels. Essential practical information. Transportation. London's public transport system runs efficiently year-round, using the Underground, tube, buses, and trains. Purchase an Oyster card from any station for $13, which gets added as travel credit. Contactless payment cards work identically to Oyster. A single tube journey in central London costs around $5 with Oyster versus around $10 cash. The daily cap ensures you never pay more than around $13 for unlimited Zone 1 and 2 travel. Accommodation. Budget options cost $90 to $130 nightly at Hub by Premier Inn or Zed Hotels in central locations. Mid-range stays run $160 to $250 USD at properties like Citizen M or the Hoxton, with designer interiors and excellent amenities. Luxury accommodations start around $300 at the Savoy, Shangri-La at the Shard, or Four Seasons Park Lane, delivering exceptional service and unforgettable experiences. Food. British cuisine extends far beyond fish and chips. Sunday roasts cost $15 to $35 at traditional pubs, featuring roasted meat, Yorkshire pudding, vegetables, and gravy. Afternoon tea at department stores like Fortnum & Mason costs $50 to $100 per person, though supermarket meal deals provide full lunches for $5 to $7. Budget $25 to $45 daily for mid-range dining. Weather and packing. London experiences 4 distinct seasons with unpredictable weather. Spring brings temperatures from 45 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit with blooming parks. Summer reaches 65 to 75 degrees. Autumn sees 50 to 65 degrees with beautiful foliage. Winter drops to 35 to 45 degrees with Christmas markets and festive lights. Always pack a waterproof jacket, comfortable walking shoes, and layers. Booking strategy. Book major attractions like Tower of London and Westminster Abbey at least 1 week in advance, especially during summer, Christmas markets, and Easter holidays. The London Pass provides credits toward 90-plus attractions, with daily packages from around $74 USD, potentially saving money if visiting multiple paid sites. Reserve accommodation 2 to 3 months ahead for best rates and availability, particularly during peak seasons. Mistakes to avoid. Transportation errors. Don't purchase daily travel cards from station machines, as the Oyster daily cap automatically applies a cheaper rate. Avoid taking taxis everywhere. London's tube reaches virtually all major attractions efficiently and affordably. During rush hours, trains become extremely crowded, so plan museum visits or walks during these windows instead. Tourist trap restaurants. Skip overpriced chain restaurants around Leicester Square and Piccadilly Circus, where meals cost 50% more than equivalent quality elsewhere. Instead, walk 2 to 3 blocks away from main squares to discover where locals actually eat. Borough Market offers superior value and quality compared to restaurants surrounding Tower Bridge. Timing and queue issues. Arriving at the Tower of London after 11 a.m. means waiting 60 to 90 minutes just to see crown jewels. Visit major attractions at opening time or book skip-the-line options through official websites. The changing of the guard draws massive crowds. Arrive 45 minutes early for good views. Don't try cramming too many activities into one day. London's size requires realistic scheduling with buffer time. So there you have it. 3 days capturing both the iconic landmarks and authentic character that make London extraordinary. This is Explorer's Radar, where we uncover the best travel experiences worth your time and money. Which day's activities excited you most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications if it helped with your London planning. And check out the next video for another amazing place worth adding to your travel list.